Hello everyone, I'm Poonam Vohra and I welcome you to the Question of the Day series where you get one competency-based question daily covering macroeconomics, Indian economic development, microeconomics and statistics. Today's question is a multiple choice question from microeconomics. Marks allotted is 1. So get ready to test your knowledge and understanding. Let's get started. You are given 4 statements about marginal rate of substitution. Find out which of the 4 statements is incorrect. I will read it for you. A. Marginal rate of substitution measures the rate at which a consumer is willing to substitute one good for another while maintaining the same level of utility. B. Marginal rate of substitution diminishes as the consumer consumes more of one good and less of another, following the principle of diminishing marginal utility. C. Marginal rate of substitution is represented by the slope of the indifference curve at any given point. And D. Marginal rate of substitution remains constant along a convex indifference curve. The correct answer is option D. That is, option D is the only incorrect statement out of the 4 statements given. You need to understand why the other statements are correct and why this is incorrect. In your exam, you need to mention the correct option and it is always better to give justification. So let's understand. Option A is correct because marginal rate of substitution involves the trade-off a customer makes between two goods to maintain the same level of satisfaction or utility. Option B is also correct because marginal rate of substitution typically diminishes because as consumer substitutes more of one good, the additional satisfaction derived from those goods decreases. So this is consistent with the principle of diminishing marginal utility. So it is correct. Option C is also correct because the slope of an indifference curve represents marginal rate of substitution at any given point. It reflects the rate of substitution between the two goods while keeping utility constant. Option D is incorrect simply because along a convex indifference curve, marginal rate of substitution decreases as one moves down the curve, reflecting the diminishing willingness to substitute one good for the other. It never remains constant because constancy will imply a linear indifference curve, which is very rare and implies perfect substitutability between goods, which is not possible. So option D is the incorrect statement. So correct answer is D only, as you are required to identify the incorrect statement out of the 4 given statements. I hope you have understood the importance of writing justification to the correct answer, simply because it shows your clarity in understanding and thought process. So keep practicing such questions, stay curious, and join me tomorrow for another exciting question in the series. Till then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session. Thank you.